See, even as I prepare to invite the Madam Commissioner from National Land Commission, allow me to jog your mind around this issue of urbanization. Your Excellency, in 1980, an acre of land in Nairobi CBD in Upper Hill was 40,000 shillings. Today, an acre in Upper Hill goes for more than 1 billion shillings. We are still using 1980 valuation roll to charge rates and taxes. So we as the urban community have said that this conversation about taxation and about generating revenue, we are not going to run away from it, because there is no doubt that there is a lot of wealth in the urban areas. We just need to tap a little bit of that wealth so that we can invest in ourselves. Number two, Your Excellency, the issue of the urban poor. Urban poor is probably the existential risk in this country. It's the most marginalized person in Kenya. They pay 172% more for water than you and I. They pay 147% more for electricity than you and I. Your Excellency, when we have the luxury of more than one toilet, they have got to pay to use a toilet. This is why we are saying that we're no longer going to have just conferences. We as the urban community are going to come together so that we can provide solutions, because we believe that there is a great amount of wealth. In fact, Your Excellency, when you think about the GDP of this country, urban areas contribute to the largest portion of the GDP of this country. So therefore, if urban areas are the theaters of economic development, how is it then? It's very paradoxical that we have got theaters of economic development, and on the other hand, we have got very poor people living in abject poverty and squalor. So, Your Excellency, this is what has been the theme of this conference, and we have come up with very practical way forward on how next year we are going to come and say this is how much the urban areas are contributing to the taxation and the revenue of this country. So with those few opening remarks, Your Excellency, it is